Hello, my name is Jordan Grant, and I'm here to present my UAB Service Learning Poster. It's titled UAB Healing Word Learning Poster, Jordan Grant, University of Alabama at Birmingham. This was for the Social Work 322L Social Work Laboratory Values class, Spring 2020, under Dr. Hitchcock and UAB Healing Words. So, the purpose of this project. As volunteers, our role was to provide patients with support and comfort through readings and conversations, and by doing so, we helped decrease their feelings of loneliness. Um, so while volunteering, we noticed that loneliness and self-isolation were two main problems or issues that the patients dealt with. I volunteered on the ABTX unit, abdominal transplant unit, and many of those patients didn't have any visitors or anyone coming to see them, and they often felt alone. So to solve these issues, having meaningful conversations and reading heartwarming stories helped them feel more comfortable. Community impact. From my service learning experience, I was able to read to patients and engage in meaningful conversations with them. As volunteers with Healing Words, we are able to positively impact the patient's day with a simple smile and just a few words. And many patients will tell you, "Oh, you're so sweet. Thank you for coming to talk to me," and that was very rewarding. So here are some challenges, rewards, and an overall reflection. While volunteering, one challenge that gave us great difficulty was the fact that some patients did not want to be read to or even talked to. And this was kind of hurtful because it felt like we were rejected. But honestly, sometimes patients, they're not in the mood to talk. They might have had a long night, rough morning, or a long day. So you just have to respect that. So while being rejected was hurtful, it helped build character and ultimately helped prepare us for post-undergraduate. So when we get out and start working and we're working on our masters, we'll encounter more things like this, but we'll be more prepared. However, it was very rewarding to hear patients talk so positively. It was evident that we made their day. This experience has opened my eyes and has further revealed my passion for social work. I have been encouraged and motivated to serve people. I thoroughly enjoyed my time with UAB Medicine and Healing Words. Academic learning. Most of the material that has been taught throughout the semester and in the classroom was illustrated during the volunteer sessions. Concepts such as professionalism, confidentiality, and respect for all individuals was demonstrated during the service learning project or activities. One thing that I have learned and will apply for future references is to always be pleasant to clients, patients, and or coworkers. Despite how your day is going, if you're pleasant and considerate of others, you might be able to help make their day much better, which is very important because sometimes you have to step outside of yourself and your feelings and just focus on your work and being competent, because sometimes you can get in the way of making someone else's day. So you must always be respectful and positive and just kind-hearted. So from this service learning opportunity, we were able to participate in hands-on activities as well as experience a diverse environment. So I would like to give a special thanks to Ms. Watkins, the volunteer coordinator of UAB Healing Words, and the medical staff at UAB, as well as Dr. Hitchcock. Thank you for listening to my digital service poster. Have a good day.